Mangalorean food is bold, coconut forward, spicy and deeply comforting. So today we're cooking a full Mangalorean spread that brings the coast straight to your kitchen. Let's start with a true coastal classic, Bangda Curry. For this, first soak the dried red chilies in about 3 to 4 cup of hot water for 10 minutes. Now in a mixer grinder, add the soaked chilies along with all the remaining curry ingredients except kokum. Now add a little of the reserved soaking water and grind this into a completely smooth fine paste. Now use all the soaked water gradually to get that perfect consistency. Now transfer this masala straight into a kadhai. Now here's a little kitchen trick. Fill the mixer almost to the brim with water, swirl it around to wash out every bit of masala and pour that into the kadhai too. Now add the fish pieces, tirpal, kokum and salt. Bring this to a boil and let it cook on medium-high heat for about 15 minutes until the fish is perfectly cooked and the curry thickens. Now finish with a drizzle of coconut oil, switch off the flame and let it rest for a minute. Serve this with hot steaming rice. Next up, the star of Mangalorean indulgence, Mutton Ghee Roast. Start by mixing all the ingredients for the mutton marinade in a bowl. Massage it well into the meat and let it marinate for at least 1 hour so the flavors really sink in. Now transfer the marinated mutton to a pressure cooker, add water and pressure cook for 5 to 6 whistles until the meat is tender and soft. While the mutton cooks, let's prepare the masala. Dry roast the dried red chilies on medium heat for 2 to 4 minutes. Next, add the whole spices and roast for another 10 minutes until aromatic and lightly brown. Now transfer everything to a mixer grinder. Add onion, ginger, garlic, tamarind, some water and grind into a smooth, rich paste. Now heat ghee in a kadhai and fry fresh curry leaves until they crackle. Add the prepared masala paste and cook it for about 10 minutes, stirring well until the raw smell disappears. Now add the cooked mutton along with its stock and a little water. Mix well, cover and let it simmer until the masala thickens and the ghee starts to separate. Once glossy and rich, turn off the heat and serve hot. Now to balance all that spice, we're making a creamy Mangalorean style veg kurma. For this, chop all the vegetables into bite-sized pieces and add them to a pressure cooker along with water and a little salt. Now pressure cook for 2 whistles and let the pressure release naturally. Now for the kurma masala, grind together coconut, soaked cashews, poppy seeds, red chili, cinnamon, cardamom and cloves into a fine paste. Now heat oil in a pan and add whole spices like cinnamon, cloves and bay leaf. Saute for a minute and then add chopped onions and cook until translucent. Now add the cooked vegetables and stir well. Now add the ground kurma masala and mix everything together. Season with salt, red chili powder, coriander powder and garam masala. Bring it to a gentle boil and then add yogurt and a little sugar for balance. Now stir for a minute, garnish with fresh coriander leaves and your creamy restaurant-style veg kurma is ready. If you enjoyed this Mangalorean spread, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.